Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm cash planning for the week. I have $352 that I plan on putting into all of my envelopes. This is going to be the first cash planning and cash stuffing for August, so that's exciting. But I already figured out my wallet. That's getting $170, which is the usual amount that I put in my envelopes. So spending will get $30, eating out will get $30, groceries will get $80, coffee $20, buffer $10. So that's $170. Okay, so that leaves me with $182 to put into some envelopes. First, oh, you know what? I forgot to grab some things. Okay, so I need some dice, and I'm going to do a couple rolls on this challenge first. This here for the snacks challenge, which is a challenge, oops, that is from my shop. All right, so dice, a little sticky note, and I'm gonna roll 2 times for this challenge. So let's see what I get. Okay, so we got 5 and 1, which is, oh, the treat yourself. So that is $10 right off the bat. Okay, last roll, we'll do 3 and 1, and that is the little mini bar, so that's $3. All right, so $13 is going into this challenge. Okay, 13, that's why I like to do this one, get this one out of the way first. Okay, so I'll come back to my other challenges in a bit. Once I do my envelopes, we'll see what I can do in my envelopes. All right, so first up, we're gonna do, and just so you know, like every week my priorities change when it comes to these envelopes, like what I put more into than others. One week it might be one thing, one week it might be another. So this week it's going to be auto. That's going to get 10. And then I'm going to do extra savings, which will get 10. And I think I want to do, let's see, I'm gonna do Christmas 10. Okay, and then everything else will probably get 5, to be honest. Okay, so electronics is getting 5. Emergency 5. Furniture 5. Month ahead 5. Rainy day 5. Registration 5. Road trip 5. Scentsy 5, subscriptions 5, and travel 5. All right, so I have 89 left. Let's see if I can even do this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. I think it should be fine. Okay, so let's go to the pink binder. So Disneyland's getting 5. Treat Yourself's getting 5. Fun is getting 5. Hobbies is getting 5. Christmas, oh, I got 10. Holiday decor, 5. And tires is fully funded at 600. Okay. Last binder before I get to savings. All right, so this is all gonna get 5. So we got clothing. I'm just gonna do it one by one, okay? I know it's like very repetitive. Costco, family, gifts. Because sometimes when I look at the envelope too, I think, oh, wait. I do need to put a little bit more into that. Like home. Home should be fine with 5 this week. Household. Trying to think of what I need in household. Do I need anything this week? I don't think I need anything. Okay, so we'll just do 5. So when I do need something, I at least will have a decent amount in there. Pantry will get 5, and Target 5. Okay, that leaves me with 24 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 challenges. So we'll see how that money goes in here. So first one up is 100 envelope. I always plan on doing 5 in this challenge, but then I usually bump up the amount with leftover money from my wallet. So that's probably what will happen in this video or in the next video. So I'm just gonna plan for 5 and then hope that I can use some of this leftover money in here that I have to bump up my 100 envelope. Cash Dash 1. Oh, you know what? I forgot to move my challenges. So let me grab them because they're still in my July section. These 2 challenges here. Okay, so this one and this one. And then I'm going to put them in the back of this section. Oops. All right, so this is Cash Dash 1, and I'm just gonna do 5 because I don't have, actually, yeah, 5, 10, 15. I don't even have enough to do what I'm thinking of doing. Well, actually 5, 10, 15, actually I think, wait, 5, 10, 15. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 in this one. And then with leftover money, hopefully I can get more to put towards there. And then I have this one, which I'm just going to plan for 1. Again, leftover money. Always saves me with these challenges. Then I have this one, which is Treat Yourself. This is a $5 one. Well, this is multiple numbers. So the lowest number is 5, so I'm just going to do 5 again. And then this one is a $5 challenge that I'm doing, this August one. So I'm just gonna do 5 for that one. Oh, my pen is dying. That leaves me with 3. So I think for this one, I'm gonna plan for $3 in this, just so I can have $1 left over. And this one actually gets more than $1. I think that's a better way to go for this one. So this one's actually gonna get 3. So I'm just adding $2 more to this one, and then $1 left over for the dollar savings challenge. Okay, I think that's it. All right, so let's see. I'm going to double check and make sure my numbers are correct and total all this off camera and make sure it's 352. Okay, so my number looks good. I'm at 352, so that means I can figure out the denominations now, so it's gonna be pretty easy because it's just a bunch of 10s. It's just a bunch of 1s basically. So 10, I have a couple 5s here, 10, bunch of 5s here. Oh my goodness, all of this is 5s. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, then another 5 here, then 10, then a bunch of 5s here. Okay, then 3 in this one, Cash Dash 2, Treat Yourself is a 5. Here for the snacks is 13, so 10 and 3, and then 5, and then 1. All right, now I'm just gonna add up the tallies. So 50 has 1, 20s have 3, oh my gosh, my pen really is dying. 10s have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5s have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 5s. Then 1s we have 5, 8, 9, 12. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, then I'm going to multiply these numbers. So 50 times 1 is 50. 3 times 20 is 60. 9 times 10 is 90. 5 times 28 is 140. And then 12. And then just add these all up and then hope it equals that number. So, so 50, 60, 90, 140, and 12. 352. Perfect. All right, so that means that when I go to the bank today, I'm going to ask for 50s, one of those, $50, and then 20s, 3 of those, which is $60, and then 10s, I need 9, that's $90, 5s, 28. That's 100. Oh my goodness, my poor pen. I have to retire this pen. And then 1s, I need 12. That's $12. And then that is a total of $3.52. All right, so that is my cash plan for the week. Very simple, very nice. Lots of 5s. Love to see it because those 5s do add up. Because I don't spend from my envelopes all the time from these categories every week. So 5 every week does help to build them up a little bit. So I like to see that. At least something going into each envelope. So that was good. That was good. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. If you're interested in seeing how all this money gets put into the envelopes, definitely check out my cash stuffing videos because that's where I actually put the money into my envelopes and where I take my leftover money and put more towards savings. So definitely check those out. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.